Presenting the LG LED Smart TV in the color ceramic black with a resolution of 1920 x 1080. This Smart TV is available in 4 variants: 32-inch 2019 model, 32-inch 2020 model, 43-inch 2019 model and 43-inch 2020 model. This Full HD TV with a refresh rate of 50 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. It has a thin bezel and stylish finish, work in harmony with your interior to create a better viewing experience. The advanced image processor adjusts color for richer, more natural images. The active HDR optimizes every scene, delivering delicate detail and rich color. The multi-HDR format, including HDR10 and HLG, coupled with LG's dynamic scene-by-scene adjustment technology, lets you enjoy any video content in amazing HDR quality. You can enjoy your favorite movies and TV series on Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Amazon Prime and many more on your LG Smart TV with WebOS. 4 fast, accurate processors eliminate noise and create more dynamic color and contrast. Low-resolution images are also upscaled and reproduced as sharper, more vivid images. Using the home dashboard, you can access connected smart devices remotely from one big screen. Some of the other Smart TV features include unlimited OTT app support, LG Content Store, Mini TV browser, cloud photos and videos, multitasking, screen mirroring and Office 365. Connect your Smart TV with Wi-Fi to enable different smart features on your TV. It has 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port for easy connectivity. Experience clearer, more immersive theater quality sound at home with the Dolby Audio on your TV. The built-in speakers delivers sound from all angles, thus enabling you to enjoy multi-dimensional audio. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, one tabletop stand, one user manual, one warranty card, one remote control and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.